Otrans.
Independently developed by Otrans. Standard 19-inch width, 1U height, max up to 48 fibers. 3-section stainless steel slide rail standard configuration, dragging distance 220 mm. High-quality cold-rolled sheet stamping formed, frosted surface and plastic sprayed. Color can be customized according to customer needs. There are two 28mm hole plugs at the incoming end and 3 LGX panels at the outgoing end. The standard configuration is G-type splice tray and 2 cabling winding plate. The maximum single 24 cores of G-type splice tray. 1U maximum stacks is to 48 cores.